my video again. Welcome to the hi, and this is my video channel about my Hot Wheels and how many they are. So here they are. Many Hot Wheels. Bro, don't. This white car is not. See, I have many Hot Wheels. The white car, it's not actually a Hot Wheel. So we start from the top here. This is the hot dog car. See it? It's actually cool, and here you can just put that there, and it's really hard to open. And we've got the air car, and it doesn't do pretty much stuff. And we have the blue guy. He's a robot. I don't know. Sometimes Hot Wheel cars. Yeah, a little bit weird. Oh, this is not a Hot Wheel. Just included this. It's a Bugatti. See, and now we're gonna have my old car. It's a fiery gun. It doesn't move anymore. It's a statue. And of course we have our #1 famous car, the I don't know car. Just kidding, this is not famous. By the way, he's a little bit famous, by the way. So this is my dad's old-fashioned car, Hot Wheels. We've got a green one. So it's like Cake Witowski's dirt bike, but when he is a car. And now we have this Star Wars car. You see this? It has a symbol. It looks really cool, and this is the bubble car. Meet the bubble car, but my brother broke its. I don't know. The old-fashioned car. This is also not a thing, but I don't actually know. My tita bought for me, and this is my red car. It was built in Halloween. It's the rare one. 2017 Hot Wheel. See? Green eyes. It's so cool, by the way. That's my favorite. And my brother's, yeah, actually I don't know about this car. Every Hot Wheel car is really strange. The Ego, Alter Ed Ego. This car, my brother broke its eyes. And of course we have the just kidding, the 2 American thingies. And finally have the basketball car, boom, Stephen Curry. And finally we have the mega, last part. My old car. I got this for Christmas. My grandma wanted to replace it with a fake one, but I insisted. This car was so damn cool. See? I'm just not damn. It's so damn cool. It's golden. It has that classic engines. You can even see its number. 36. It has its sticker, sticker 36. I don't know why this over, but by the way, here's its engine, and that'll do it. And guys, I'm gonna go a big. And guys, please subscribe and like my channel, and comment down below what kind of Hot Wheel do you like? You actually, this thing, you can't buy this on stores now, really. So guys, you can trade me with a special Hot Wheel with, you can trade me with a special Hot Wheel. I'm just kidding. These Hot Wheels are not